Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Hanish Gupta and I am an expert at diabetes and cardiovascular diseases working at various major hospitals in Delhi. Today I am delighted to be with you to discuss about diabetes and insulin. A lot of our patients are using insulin as a medicine for diabetes and they are always under the impression that insulin is not a very good choice that has been made by their doctor for their treatment. The first thing that crops their mind is that insulin once started is always going to be the drug of choice for them. But believe me, it is not like that. Insulin can be started at any stage of the disease and it can be continued or discontinued at your doctor's impression of your disease process. Meaning by which, insulin is not only the best medication for you just because it is the most natural thing that is available in your body, but also because of the fact that insulin is the most easy prescription that a patient can get. I'll explain you why. A lot of people believe that by giving insulin as a medication which is used as an injection, they are doing something unnatural with their body, but that is not the case. Diabetes is actually not a sugar problem. It's a problem of insulin. It's a problem of imbalance of insulin in the body. There is sugar in the body that needs to enter the muscles, but it is not able to enter the muscles primarily because insulin is not available in the body. And that is why whenever a diabetic comes to a doctor, then the medicine of choice that runs across the mind of a doctor is always insulin. But as doctors, we believe that it is easy to have our patients take medications by mouth rather than by taking it through injections. And that is the primary reason that insulin is not prescribed to everyone. There is a myth that is attached to insulin, that insulin is a medicine that is prescribed to failure patients. Patients who have not been able to do good with anything and are on the last stage of the disease are actually prescribed insulin. Believe me, insulin is not prescribed to patients who are failure patients or at the last stage of their disease. Insulin in fact can be prescribed at any stage of diabetes and it can be discontinued also at any stage of diabetes. There are patients who have been on insulin for a number of years, but because their diabetes got controlled with good amount of exercise and good amount of dietary control, their insulin was stopped and they continued to have a healthy and a very natural life onwards, just taking medications. There is also another thing, that insulin causes the highest amount of hypoglycemia, meaning by which the lowering of blood sugar. I believe that patients don't take insulin because they believe that their sugar levels are going to go so low that there is going to be no sustenance of life. But that is a problem that is more prominent with cases of oral medicines. In fact, the oral medicines, they cause hypoglycemia for very prolonged periods up to a level of even 48 hours. But with insulin, whenever there is lowering of blood sugar or hypoglycemia, that lasts only for a matter of 4 to 6 hours because the action of insulin is such that it stops acting after it is eliminated from the body within 6 hours. But as far as the oral medications are concerned, they continue to be in the body for a long period of time and their action also keeps on continuing and hypoglycemia continues. So friends, that's it for now. I hope that I have been able to dispel some of your doubts on insulin and diabetes, and I hope to get in touch with you on Librate very soon through audio or text consults, whichever may be your choice. And you are welcome to take offline appointments also by visiting my profile on librate.com. Thanks a lot, be healthy and be disease free.